Learn how to enable and use privacy display on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open Settings, then scroll down and tap on Display. Next, go to Privacy Display, where you can turn it on by tapping the toggle switch. You can also enable privacy display for specific apps by tapping on Conditions for turning on, then selecting Apps and choosing the ones you want to apply privacy display to. Additionally, you can apply privacy display to notification pop-ups. If you want even more protection, you can turn on maximum privacy protection as well. You can also turn on or off privacy display by quick panel settings. Simply scroll to the bottom and tap on privacy display toggle. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.